Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will need to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so obviously it's already open and visible on my screen. Now once your content is prepped, meaning visible on your display, all you need to do is hold, or not hold, but actually press power button and volume up at the same time. So you have a flash and then you will see the screenshot on the side. After a moment it will disappear, at which point you can find that screenshot in your Photos application. And you can quickly find it by going into the Albums section and then scrolling all the way down to Screenshots. And here you can see it, it's right over here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.